Day, June 24th, 2012. This one came in the mail from Millie. Got this from my boy Chris from the Hobby Box, cardsinfinity.com. Just received it today. Haven't watched the video yet, so it should be a total surprise. Let's see what we got. I think we got on tap today a 2011 Topps Precision Football. And also, I believe another 2011 Topps, Panini Limited is coming at us today. So let's see what we got. Get the box out of the way. Alright. Team packs. Alright, let's open up and look at the Panini Limited first. We'll look at the base all real quick and then we'll file down all the hits. Might as well open up the base cards real quick. Now the Precision. Alright, so we'll just count them down real quick. We had a Brandon Harris, numbered 499. Next up, Niles Paul, Phenoms, 499. First Legend, Steve Bartkowski, numbered again, 499. Alright, then we're going to pull up the Jacoby Ford, again base, 499. And we end up the limited base. Nice guy right here, Tom Brady, again 499. Alright, now we're going to flip through the Precision base real quick. We got a Phil Simms, Ndamukong Suh, Dwayne Bowe, Steven Jackson, Antonio Holmes, Sammy Bradford, Cedric Benson. I think that one's going to Farouk. Yeah, you won the break on the Cedric Benson. That'll be shipped out to you. Thanks for paying the $4.99 shipping. Thank you very much. Reggie Bush, Owen Daniels, Maurice Jones-Drew, Roger Staubach, and a Jimmy Graham. Alright, now let's go see what the hits are. Thanks for top loading these, Chris. Much appreciated. Alright, individuals right here. Looking like we're starting with the limited again. As far as the hits, start off with a nice Vincent Brown. It's a nice shiny card, on-card auto. Big chunk of jersey in there. Jersey and patches mixed. It's a 55 of 299. Next we got the rookie patch, Austin Pettis, 46 of 99. Alright. And on to the Precision. I think there's one more limited hit in here. And there is one more limited hit of the Dexter McCluster Prime triple color patch. Short print run, 9 of 15. Slide that through there for you to view. And on to the Precision. Started with a on card, not numbered, but nice. I'll take a Colin Kaepernick for the Niners. On card auto. Follow that up with the Robert Mathis sticker for the Colts auto. Alright. Next up, I like this one. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Kyle Rudolph, Titans. Not Titans, Vikings. I'll rate the numbering on this one. Zoom in with the camera. Oh yeah, we're gonna get that one right there. 2.5 of 2.5. Very nice. Very nice. Take that. And last hit of this break from the hobby box. Ken Stabler. On card. No, it's sticker. Not bad though. 24 of 25. That looked nice. Over here with my other one, I got 2 out of this, and I guess you could say both quarterbacks number 12. I have Terry and Ken Stabler, so I might have to put that up as a number 12 Hall of Fame Legends quarterback dual lot. Make a fortune. Alright, and that's our recording for the day. Have a nice day. Take it easy.